Hello, and welcome to Kaitutor, your expert personal trainer, delivering professional video training anytime, anywhere. Kaitutor will help you excel at your job-related activities by providing critical operational and educational information right when and where it's needed, on the job. Its video modules show experts using best practices in real-world cleaning scenarios with instant access to expert help, including operation, troubleshooting, and repair. Kaitutor is here to help you become a highly productive and effective cleaning professional. In this video, we'll show you the Kaitutor, how it works, and how you can get the most of your on-demand, on-the-job video trainer. Before we dive into using the Kaitutor, let's take a quick look at it. You'll notice on the right side of the device, there's a power switch, a headphone jack, and a charging port. The Kaitutor is battery operated, so you'll want to keep the battery charged so it's always ready for on-demand training applications. To charge the battery, simply insert the charger plug that came with your Kaitutor into the charging port on the side of the unit and plug it into any electrical outlet. The Kaitutor has a built-in speaker on the front of the device, but in some circumstances, you may want to use the headphone jack located just above the charging port. This can be especially useful in environments where there's a lot of background noise, making it difficult to hear the built-in speaker. When you're ready to use the Kaitutor, use the power switch on the side to turn it on. When you turn on the Kaitutor, you'll be taken to the main menu. The menu displays the videos and folders in your library. Folders containing additional video content are indicated by a folder icon to the left of the folder name. Video files in your library are indicated by a clapboard icon next to the video's title. You'll use the Kaitutor touchscreen to navigate through the content in your library. Use your finger to scroll up or down through the content. To navigate inside of a folder, tap on the folder item to open it and browse through its contents. If you want to go back to the main menu, tap the back button located on the top right of the screen. When you're ready to play a video, simply tap the item you wish to play. During video playback, you can tap the screen at any time to bring up the playback controls. In the center of the screen, you'll see the play-pause button. Tap this button to pause the video, then tap it again to resume playback. The play-pause button is central to our play-pause practice approach that we'll discuss a little bit later. On either side of the play-pause button are skip forward and skip backward buttons that allow you to move 10 seconds forward or backward during playback. At the bottom of the screen, see the playback status bar. On the left, you'll see the elapsed playback time, and on the right, you'll see the current video's length. During playback, you can drag the playback head forward or backward to go to a specific point in the video. If you'd like to adjust the playback volume on the Kaitutor, tap the volume button at the top of the screen and then slide the volume level up or down. Next to the volume control is the battery indicator, showing the current charge level of the battery. When your battery gets low, plug it in to charge so the Kaitutor is always ready. If you'd like to return to the main menu, use the back button in the front right corner of the screen to go back to your video library. At the heart of Kaitutor is our innovative play, pause, and practice approach to video training. Simply play the video, pause it after a procedure has been demonstrated, and then go practice it. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary until you have mastered the cleaning procedure. Studies show that the method of viewing a demonstration coupled with hands-on practice helps us grasp information more quickly and retain it longer. As you're watching Kaivac training content, this icon will pop up on the screen indicating a good time to pause the video and practice what you have just learned. Of course, you can pause the video at any time and even step forward or backward through the video as needed. Kaivac's training videos are organized into focus modules to allow you to focus on the task at hand without having to search through the long videos to find the content you need. And since Kaitutor is mounted on your system, you can watch the video as many times as you need to, anywhere in your facility until you master the cleaning procedure. When learning a new cleaning process, using the Kaitutor's play, pause, practice approach between 3 and 10 times during the first days of use will greatly speed up your time to master the procedure. An occasional review of the video library will help prevent any bad habits that might have developed over time and will serve to refresh your memory. If you need a refresher on a particular cleaning procedure, the modular design of our video training will allow you to find what you need quickly. Kaitutor is individual training when, where, and how you need it. If you follow the play, pause, practice approach Kaitutor provides and repeat the training as needed, you'll be well on your way to becoming a highly productive cleaning professional.